In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office for free on your laptop or PC, the quick and easy way. Make sure you stay till the end. So first of all, what we're going to do is open the Google Chrome here like this. In the search bar, what we're going to do is type in Microsoft Play Store like that. So Microsoft Play Store and press return. Once you press return, these are the search results that we're going to get. And we're going to click on Windows Apps, Microsoft Store. So once we're on the Microsoft Store, in the search box here, what we're going to type is Office. Make sure that we're signed into the Microsoft Office. So when we do download the Office, it is visible and all working in order. So what we'll do is on this first one here, get Install App, and then open the Microsoft Store app. Yep, can you see here? It comes out of the pop-up here, Office, and then you got the button here which says Get. What we do is click on Get. So once it's installed, what we're going to click on is the Open button here. So this is going to open another window. And then you got this welcome message here. What we're going to press is the arrows on the right here. So I'm going to make it a bit bigger. And we click on the arrows here. Next, that's fine. And then here you go. So this is the Microsoft Office. You got Word, you got Excel, you got PowerPoint, you got Outlook, you got OneDrive and Teams. So if you click on Word, just show you how to open up a document. Let's double click it then. There you are. So as you can see, you can type in it. There's no messaging or anything like that. You've got all the basic stuff here. So there you are. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video.